Greetings, River Lady here, and it's time for the second episode of Astilbe Rescue. You may remember in our first episode, I had rescued an Astilbe from Lowe's, and it looked like it was dead. And it's pretty hard to tell in autumn whether it's coming back or not, but I have, in my favor, the mild weather we've been going through. So my little Astilbe, I think, has been rescued. I think it came back to life. It is alive. We won't know for sure until spring, but let's give this a shot. Okay, so here is my little Astilbe, and I'm coming down. Sorry for the crazy camera work. Where are you? I need to come up this way. All right, I can do this. I'm going to put my finger there. Look at that. That is coming up from under the ground. That is an eye. That is one of the Astilbe eyes. It's peeking out. Yay! I think I saved it. I think my Astilbe is alive. I feel like Dr. Frankenstein. So, Dr. Frankenstein, what do we do next? I'm pretending to be Igor. So, Dr. Frankenstein. I can't do it. What do we do next, Dr. Frankenstein? Well, we put salt marsh hay around the Astilbe so that it stays warm during the winter. I'm going to leave this seed stalk on so that the birds can have something to peck at. And that's it. This baby has been put to bed for the winter. Hopefully come spring, I will have resurrected an Astilbe. Such power. I'm not sure what I want to do with this power, but I know that I will only use it for good. This is River Lady saying, get your gardens put to bed and happy gardening.